Hello everyone, welcome back to GlobeTech Learning Academy YouTube channel. From today class, I will continue the continuation part of the draw panel on rectangle, ellipse and hatch. Now let's get started. Now I am selecting the rectangle option. In the bottom we have the chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness, width. Now I am selecting the chamfer option and I am giving it 35 feet as a first chamfer distance and press enter. Next I am giving the 35 feet as a second chamfer distance. Like this represent is called as chamfer. Now I am selecting the fillet option. I am giving the 25 feet of radius for fillet option. This representation is called as fillet option. Next I am selecting the width option. I am giving the 25 feet for width in rectangle option like this. And the drop down the rectangle option we have the polygon. They are asking how many parts you want. I am giving 6 parts of polygon. Enter. Like this you can draw it. And next option is ellipse. I am selecting the center ellipse like this. Center ellipse will represent like. Next is axis end option. First one, second one, and this is the axis end ellipse option. And next one is the elliptical arc. First draw an axis like this and select the point and give the arc option, arc distance. Next one is the hatch option. Now I am selecting the hatch and I am giving the pick point and drop down this we have the various hatch styles. Now I am selecting this style and initially I am giving 5000 for that scale. This is too much large. I am giving the 500. This is better. Now press enter and drop down the attach and we have gradient option. Select the pick point, click it down and I am giving the blue color for the image purposes, mirror image purposes. Like this will be represented as a mirror image. Next is a boundary option. For that I will making the 2 rectangle parts with I am selecting the rectangle in width as 0 and fillet also 0. I am drawing 2 rectangles like this and I am selecting the boundary and the boundary table will be open. Select the pick point and select the point which portion of hatch you want and select the hatch and select the style and I am giving the style as this and I am giving the scale 500. Press enter. This portion of boundary will be hatched, rest of this portion will be not touched. This is the advantage in the hatch command. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share it. Thank you.